All right, y'all, so we're at the second location. Yes, the lights are still on. I rode with them on too. And they was blue and I didn't care. So, kinda care. I was doing that though, so I'm good. They thought it was white before anything else. So as y'all know, Sikk Whips, man, I'm literally just gonna walk through and let y'all see. So what y'all don't know is this is We Too Slow's new car. Copyright. That motherfucker's so hard to me, bro. And I wouldn't put red nowhere on my car, but that shit's so hard. There you go. Now, you seen his man. Now go look at his man. You put that on your shit? You put that one on? Would you put that one on? Boy, stop talking to me. Boy, this is, boy, and then I keep walking. I'm not gonna, this is what I'm doing. Hey, Mozzie. It's copper though. It's brushed. It's brushed. That shit's so clean though, boy. Ain't trying to be in your picture, boss. Yellow bone, winter time, getting top down. I come through fish selling, doing donuts with no hands. Yeah, these boys came out. They brought the whole police force out. Niggas can't just drive regular. So, I mean, you don't buy it to drive a regular on them forces. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? The Widebody. That bitch so tough pulling out. And like I was telling y'all earlier, it's a Forger Cat car. I couldn't say nothing earlier because the police came and shut it all down. That's Sikk Whips right there, y'all.
Yes, sir.
Who are you?
Out here got Turbo TV from Dallas all the way to Houston.
Yes,
damn, they totally doing it like that.
Yeah, he's fancy. I think they got.
Boy, look at my shit, bro. Bro, damn, we ain't even. Hey, look at my shit, bro.
Let me see this new merch on your body here, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right.
Calling me and shit.
Right there.
We just pulled up. Bro, that mother. Please tell me y'all recorded that freeway action.
He did. He did. Yeah, that shit was crazy. That shit was crazy. Bro, I'm trying to follow you. I'm like, then you took out. Then Troy almost hit me. Troy almost hit me.
That's what I didn't want.
Troy almost hit me, bro.
That's not what I did not want. I was like, bro, I hope everybody don't pull over and then they try to come out and people get hit. I was like, man, I hope nobody. The only person that I really cared pulling over, that dude with that white Charger with those lights in the back. But man, I was like, man, I hope people don't pull up, bro. I mean, pull out.
Yes, sir. Hey, yeah. I'm pulling up no matter what. Now I'm wrapped. If y'all don't know. Now y'all do. Birds cat. You ain't never seen that. Hey, this is Zaytoven, first time in Houston. Zaytoven?
First time in Houston. I ain't come last time. You gotta get on Turbo TV.
Yes, sir.
How you like it? What's up, son? His first time in Houston. Oh, you messed up. I ain't saying nothing about this shit. We wasn't there long enough. I see what you were talking about.
Yeah, this is what I like. What I was nervous about last time. Come on. I'm trying to hurry and get my walk through.
I ain't gonna lie. I'm glad as fuck. If y'all smoking this, I'm glad as fuck. I ain't riding trying to get this green. Boy, I just took some pretty much.
That's a little bit of everything out here. I'm not gonna walk every aisle. I'm just gonna tell you that right now. So sick of waffles. No, I don't record. I record no much.
Bro, you wild. You wild, man. I'm not sure you obeyed all the traffic laws on the way over here, man.
At all, sir.
At all.
He almost hit me. I don't care what he said. He almost hit me.
I was scared for the life.
Well, I was on the side. He was about to get right over.
Why is that police have somebody hanging off the car? I was like, oh, that ain't the police.
That was not me.
That ain't the police.
That was not me. Look at that ZL1 with the stripes on it. I don't know if y'all can tell. With the louvers on the back. There go the red stripes. Go all the way up. Hey, I'm slow. Huh. Little V boys. Little V boy. These niggas trying to race. Say, goddamn, I need gas. We most definitely need that. I'm finna leave here anyway. I'm finna go to the liquor store. Y'all playing with my happiness.
I was waiting for you.
No, I'm finna go. Don't worry. I'll be back. I'm finna look as soon as I get done with my walkthrough. I would ask Sikk, but he don't know. Always. Oh, what am I doing? Why am I recording these Mustangs? Let me go back over here. Ooh, on the ground. Uh-oh. There go another one. The older one. Whatever's on his car.
This is all time and everything about acting stupid.
That's what I like. But
Good thing you did not come to the other one too.
What other than the left?
Last weekend.
Oh, I was supposed to.
Everybody was acting stupid over there.
That's
Especially
what
in that lot.
That's what he told me. That motherfucker clean. All right. I seen it. I seen it. I seen it.
Yes, sir. I gotta put gas in my shit.
I gotta put gas in mine. Liquor store, right? That's where I'm going. I'll run out of gas to get some liquor. Before 9 o'clock, boy. Y'all just come rescue me.
Bear with me. It's not easy. I might be getting this house. It's not easy.
Oh yeah? When your birthday?
I'll go back in town.
What you trying to do? What you trying to do for your birthday? What else? So that's clean as a motherfucker, man. I like. I enjoy all that.
See what I can and can't do with this one, though.
Hey, I'm not leaving the meet, but I'm finna leave the meet because I'm thirsty and I want some liquor. I'm in Houston. I'm not finna just be here sober. So I'll turn the camera back on when I get back here. I am leaving to go get me some liquor and I need gas. But I'd rather get liquor than gas. Judge me later. Bye. Man, it is thick out here though. It's cars everywhere. It's cars everywhere. Cars behind that trailer too.
Right now, right?
Yeah, I want to see the wreck. I mean, I want to see the amazing footage. I want to see the wreck. Nigga, that's what I feel.
That's a shame. Everybody's scared.
I guess they about to tandem. Hey, yeah! Uh-oh, watch out. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. No, because he's starting to move. That's a Mustang still.
Even though it's still smoking though.
I can only see you because of smoke white, motherfucker. Hell yeah. Let's see if that Widebody gonna do it. Don't matter, we caught the Widebody doing the burnout. Ha, y'all didn't.
What you about to do? Oh, get out, baby. I got this. Oh, okay. Get the kids out. Get the Wi-Fi.
Okay.
He said, you ain't doing that with my baby.
I got this on.
Turbo TV.
Yes, sir. That nigga was almost out of there.
Hey, yeah.
Boy, you was about out of there, boy.
Hey, them Brimbos in the back.
Bring that Hellcat out, brother. Come on now.
There you go.
That bitch got too much torque.
I know.
On that one surface.
Another Hellcat. Another Hellcat.